Hey guys, it's Monica. Welcome back to my channel. In this Mom Tip Monday video, I'm going to be showing you a quick little mom hack that I discovered 2 cars ago that I recently got the opportunity to try again. So this time I thought I would share it with you and show you exactly how I drastically reduce the appearance of scratches on a car. If you're new to my channel, I post new videos every week on peaceful parenting, healthy living, life with little ones, and mom life in general, and I would love for you to consider subscribing if you're not already. I live in LA. It's almost inevitable that your car is going to get scratched up at some point. So this is a really easy and virtually free hack to reduce the appearance of the scratches on your car. So it doesn't take them away completely. If it goes through the paint and the scratches are pretty deep, then you're still going to be able to see that upon close inspection, but from afar, visually, it really reduces the appearance of the scratches, so you can hardly even see it. And for a free fix is definitely worth the time and very little effort that it takes to do. So for this, all you need is a car with some scratches and some toothpaste. Now, I didn't want to use my good natural toothpaste, so I'm just using this old sample that I had lying around my house and a rag. So you're just going to put a generous amount of the toothpaste onto the rag and then just rub it into the scratch in circular motions. It doesn't take much effort at all. I'm applying light pressure, but nothing really intense, and it almost immediately comes up. So like I said, this doesn't take away the deep scratches, but it does take away those really obvious white marks that get on the car from the scratches. So this is the before and after, and as you can see, it takes a lot of those really obvious white scratches away. The deep scratches are still there, but much less noticeable, and for a free fix, it's definitely worth it. I hope you guys like this little mom hack. If you did, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.